Australian history, page 124 in Stairs 7. The Australian Aboriginal people were the first people to live in Australia. They arrived there about 42,000 years ago. They came from Southeast Asia. The Australian Aboriginal people were hunters and gatherers. Some Europeans visited Australia in the 17th century. They sailed there on big ships. They wanted to discover new places. The Dutch were the first to discover Australia. The British captain to discover Australia was James Cook. He claimed New South Wales for Great Britain. In 1770, the British claimed the eastern part of Australia. It became a British colony. They wanted English people to live there and to keep the colony as part of the British Empire. They sent people to live there as punishments for crimes too. In 1901, the British owned 6 colonies. They became a federation, the Commonwealth of Australia. Under the Union Jack, there is a big star with 7 points. The point represents the unity between the 6 colonies and the Commonwealth. There are 5 more stars on the flag. These make up the Southern Cross, the constellation only seen in the Southern Hemisphere. Queen Elizabeth II is the Queen of Australia. She does not live in Australia, but she visits the country from time to time. She is represented by the Governor-General. Australia is a democracy. People vote for members of Parliament, and the Prime Minister is the head of government. This was a short text about Australian history. You can search more information about Australia. There are more information in OneNote as well.